Alright, hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Everyting Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me is my husband, Marcel. And we have a few other persons here with us today. We're at Mas Nevi. Mas Nevi, say morning.
Morning. I'm still alive.
And well.
Thank you.
Yes, man. Amen to that.
We should say you're alive, Mas Nevi.
Alright, Mas Nevi, you know you haven't left pirates because this morning, so you have to switch them round.
I don't know. They may look like they're extra heavy, man.
So guys, we are here at Mas Nevi this morning and we're starting this house.
Better me come on the other side.
Alright, so should have been last week, and then before last week it should have been the week before, right, Mas Nevi?
Yes, ma'am.
But it did not work out. We had some challenges and we had to iron them out. So praise be to God, we are here this morning.
Yeah.
We're not even going to get into what the challenges were, but so we're moving on. Not true, Mas Nevi? Yes.
You know, my heart full of joy this morning.
Yes.
I wake up, you know.
Yeah, wait up, same way, Mas. Yes, Mas Nevi, I wait up.
Wait up, wait up, man. So long as I dry about him, I wait.
That's what I mean.
Man.
That's what I mean. When rain fall, don't Mas Nevi. Yes.
That sharp more on your teeth. So you use the same way. Use the same way. You just want to clean up.
She say knife, the knife dull?
The machine, she asked for file for sharp.
Oh. Alright guys.
You can't, you don't have not the stuff you do like that.
Brought up materials. My cement there, plyboard and Solitex under here, so. And then we have the ladies who are in the kitchen this morning. So introduce you to them right now. They are just making preparation to begin cooking. Okay, so as the day goes by, them a look good.
Real old country woman, you know.
So Miss Verdier.
See how she just attack the tree?
Miss Verdier, guys. She climbed through bush, she look good to make lunch. Well, to make fire rather to cook lunch.
Miss Verdier should have cook already, but you look good now.
And see Dennis over there, so. Dennis a chop wood.
Mas Nevi, a big pot around your place this morning.
So we have some blessed people around us this morning. Alright, so guys, as the day goes by, we will show you what is going on. Alright, so thanks and big up to everyone. Thank you so much for your continued support. Yes, yes, man. Mas Nevi said God ever blessed to know, and he's saying heart full of joy this morning. Alright.
We are
alright, guys.
You don't know, I want to make we never plan to walk in one road because you said that because we said we might have to walk out the land.
Yeah, but when we come we notice, say.
The road better.
The road is better. Just put a light post so they cross it.
Yeah. Guys, see Osha in here. I weed up one spot to make fire. And see mommy here. See young mommy here. That's Denise. Miss Vera over there, so. So guys, see the wood there. We are in preparation mode.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I said we have breakfast already.
I just tea with drinking.
Wait, you drink tea?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you soon get lunch here because I'm prepare for cook.
Lunch, yeah.
Lunch. You want bola?
Yes, ma'am.
You want bola? Me have bola.
Yes, ma'am.
The loving bulan.
You know.
Yeah. Alright, I give you bola and water.
Yes, ma'am.
What time bulan you want?
I do help.
Can I have some of it, please?
Ocean, you know have to weed off everything so clean. You weed up there so where the wood there and it gone down the sugar.
The fire that's right.
Alright, well that is good, you know, but we want to cook today. Tilly, bless you. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah, good. So you could sit here.
Yeah, the chance.
One container to try out.
Give me the brownie and the seed. I don't.
So what in there?
No.
Missy, when he give you the bag,
Of course.
you maybe drop in at the hole.
No.
Yeah, throw all of that in there. Not choose and get back a bucket.
He can't throw out, man. Because I just mix with it plant.
You can't use the bottle, the handle water for the juice.
Yeah.
Alright, so you find the brownie now?
No. You don't find it, man. You know where you're supposed. Yeah, man.
Alright,
Right. 2 pot of the pan fire when we're ready. We catch one.
You know, steady. You cannot lean and it close.
Maybe the block, that one here, turn it down. Maybe your cousin something there, the panny. Oh.
That turn the pan is
Yeah, that part, O'Shane.
yes, that's how me feel. But you not straight. Lean.
But I prefer turn it down with the not say not turn over.
Flat.
Alright, make one fire. We make one next one. Yeah. I like the rice are cooking now.
Tessie, want to come up little more, not true? You know level.
No level, we have to go catch it.
So try putting it flat and see how it look.
Get one next one of this.
Okay, makes sense. So one next block.
Yeah, one for the next one now.
Oh, Marcel.
Can you use all the piece?
Marcel, I'll give Teeny one of the block for you, please.
I can't catch, man. Just use one little top man catch here when I can't.
You might bring one.
The 2 fire now.
2 fire. We are making.
Oh, so you want about 4 more?
We don't know. You see, we are gonna make up.
2 more.
We are gonna make up the meat fire, but we are look out the peas now.
First.
To go on the fire.
So what the menu today, Miss Ver?
Just brown stew chicken and rice and peas.
Alright.
Some nice tongue with a lot of ice.
And ginger.
Ginger.
Yes, sounds good. Yeah. Alright, so Tina, bring it back here.
What is your boy of your Patrick?
Carol son.
But see ya, because they say, oh, look like Patrick.
Nephew.
What one, Tina? How way I go this morning? How way I come from that way? Or you went to the bush? Oh. So you not give me a hand today? Oh.
Yes, man.
Hey.
Help you out, man.
Yes, man.
Help you out, man. Yes, that the fire they ready now.
That looks settled, right. Good job, Denise. Good job.
Take it off now, Denise, and put them.
Now, Sevi, Stretch out your hand there. Water. And bola. Hold it good, you know. Breaking it too. So that's how you. Alright.
You want one foot? We can almost can't find shot.
So that name, Marcel?
10 penny name.
You see it?
Ah, easy work you want, but you can water.
What do you mean? Want water?
If I touch what, you want to move the stone out here? That's a 10 penny name.
So that's Teeny, guys. Might help us clear up the space. Say hi.
I see that.
What you say? You're the funny already.
Let me square there. Let me make a square.
You eat already, Master?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, good.
Square one. Like a leg. I use it. That's a square. Trade man on a man. You have a square man? Man, I tell me 7.5 to use the square. Yeah, man. Your market. And then you put the square on it. No, actually, I'm going to see it, you know.
So where was it? You see it since you come?
Even, I use it.
Oh, one small one.
Yeah.
Check your pocket.
I just say you use it. Now you know. Now you know where you use it. I say, I'm not use the square, you know.
Level can.
Level can square. That's square.
Yes.
Eat. Down the coffee. But sweet. Everything.
Whoa. It's windy. Christmas breeze, Master.
Dash them way. I tell if you heat them up, now dash them way. That's why I go want them to use.
The stones.
That's why I say heat them up. You want to dash them over a bush like that.
Man, you have to go back for them, you know. Till you come back.
Again.
Nobody, it's your third trip. Nobody go back down the road. Just stay here so we do it today.
Oh, I go see if somebody. I'm going to spend money. I've been getting money to spend it.
Oh.
And make it back in no me spend it.
So you carry it, go and come back.
Go and come back.
Alright. Yes.
Again, when I cook it.
Oh. Fire catch Miss Ver. Boy. So I pots you know,
taking black.
yeah, easy for score. Okay. Pot on the fire, first one. First pot on the fire, guys. Cooking peas, because we're doing rice and peas. today.
We good right here, so now, man.
We're good for now.
You know.
But when you're coming back to church,
This is good man right now. We blow me. You're chopping board.
You're chopping board. Maybe I forgot to take out the. You know, I think I had one here.
One chopping board?
Well, no, not necessarily. Want the plastic chopping board.
Okay.
We don't have it. We don't have it. We did carry one with the pot coming.
Hold on. It's married. In a very wrong. It's a big something.
Yeah, look.
No.
Ah, that good. Man, don't make Miss Vera get out, you know. Yeah, that size good. Miss Vera no want to in at the pot every minute. Turn chicken. Aye.
Yeah, they are fried.
Yep. Good.
And that's it. And when you fry, you just turn them 1 or 2.
Yes.
And then guess what? You'll buy your nice little small business. I love my farming. So.
Up here a nice farming place too, you know. Yeah. Sounds like a plan. That's how I plan. You're going to flip that whole on. No, you tell me the other day. Well, it not come down so good.
Hey, can we stop halfway?
Oh.
You know down there, door?
Yeah, we know that. Yes, I'm going to do
Same thing, baby. What can I get?
back in ideas, I go down there.
You so down there?
Yeah, but I'm not catch some fish on the ground.
Hey!
Talk about that one, cool, she and sleep.
My wife go down there, 1.5 bucket to catch and nobody now catch none. Full of bucket, 1.5 time.
Yeah, man.
Now come away yard. When we down there catch fish, we see how people come there now when they see we are drawing the line, you know. The rod with a you. Yeah. Then come back on shore and not catch nothing, you know.
Right, I feel that.
And when we are dry, we don't want nobody come there to see how we are drying the rod. Like we not care, just do so. Just take time and take up off. Yes, man.
Master Nevi say, if you left his schedule, they make him beat out some of them stone day. But Master Nevi, which stone Master Nevi go beat out?
Master Nevi, nothing can beat in dinner. Stone him go beat. Sit down, you sit down. I beat the mosquito them. I take panel na my yacht. Machete me use do that, you know? Yeah. Concrete off this one. Yeah?
I actually didn't realize that the part today.
Left the doorway did they? But we are giving one little veranda. Yeah. You go sit down and look for it. Few months, you blow down to? That man ain't my shop. You buy everything with the beer now. Starting now, sit down now. Oh. Then we go to the foundation now. Saya tak spin. It's straight like it come from the factory. Mas Nevi, you know, buy any wire up here. Now, cut it. Yeah, just bend it around.
Christmas grass a long time. You don't see them, you know?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, well, flowers, you know, I'm going to Christmas, it's white. Flowers, man. I'm going to Christmas time, it's white.
Oh.
It's white, every Christmas is white.
Where you go, Miss Vera? What you go do? Should I feel alright if you have a cheese?
You don't need to have your alright without it.
Not true. If you have a cheese up here, problem. You can't
sleep at night time.
You can't sleep at night.
I'll see this time you blow.
After the house blow down and you have a key for your door in a pocket. That's if you don't left the key.
No, I know me have the key.
Yes,
No, me not be the
The door mash up.
The door mash up?
Yeah. It's on it, you know, I hit this, but it damaged.
Oh. I made it sweet and
You throw it that or you heap it up?
Throw it that way.
Oh.
Enough there.
You know about that.
They're rotten.
They're rotten.
Buy tile already, Mas Nevi.
No, something about you have a tile.
Yeah, so like you know, say it's a go tile, you have to go buy a tile.
Go buy it now.
Yeah.
Tile, you buy tile.
Of course, and you know, say if Mas Nevi willing to buy it, tell me we help him buy it.
You hear that, Mas Nevi?
See, you get proposal already.
Willing to buy it.
Mas Nevi line that there? You did have line Mas Nevi? Oh, okay, okay. Well, Miss Vera walk all over the place, you know. By the side, Miss Vera.
Miss Vera want to choose, see, parce qu'il y a un man in the terrain.
Yeah.
It's very enough for you place to comfort.
Yes, man.
Then you know what they come up, man.
What, lad?
Ah, your house, we are going to be over there, but what?
A bush.
What? I can't be a boom boy.
Things I used to do, I can't do them no more.
Oh God, that's really messy. And you got reaction to tell them.
Guess what? The plants can't and boom go over them. They
Oh God. Can't
Yeah, man, I'm film play and film land enough.
yeah, I'm feeling.
So I'm be over again. Well, play a shank over.
I'm saying me like for that place, see man, a quiet place, you know.
I love you when we're done.
You they call about comfort.
Yeah, you're going to love over there when we're done. Yeah?
A comfort, they call about it.
Yeah. I know comfort, a comfort in him.
Comfort, yes.
But I love you, further again.
Boy. But maybe no one no say you want people to work it. It's far over in a bush.
I thought nobody not to get permission to work them the land. They're bushy in a.
We have a road to Mass Nevi, man.
No. You can't get piece of binding wire for it.
I want to get it.
Big piece on the road and say fall down there work from house.
Yes, I tell Paul.
10%. Oh, you know, two go over there, one go over there today.
Paul, what's your question, man? Paul, we said it, man. Paul, that's it.
Go on a red man, go look, man. Red man, I have none around there.
What a chance, we are going to find him there.
Oh, him gone at the farm.
Yeah. I'll find him. What I Paul, what I said, he come.
Yeah, we're going to buy it.
I want to bind it wire, we have to back foot. Never been buy it, you know?
Try to buy it so far. To buy.
Go just to go down a Paul, man. We get down a Paul, man.
I make some nigga.
Teeny.
Oh,
Someone get show, man.
that's you're saying on a break.
We'll find a way.
Just want to clean out your sound shutter board and start a fire again. We cut soap each. Oh, never
How many picker?
No man, it's a use that, you know?
Yeah, I use it.
One to the other one.
You got it.
I don't know if you can use it.
Yes, man.
We can use.
I just my broke up so I can't move it.
So you have to use both.
A old house, you know.
Yes, man, I'm all over.
They are from 19 or long.
This stamps out fast too, man.
No pass through last one though.
Last one passed through it.
If I never see that, I never see that stand up, you know.
I never make me cut the tree, Mass Nevi.
I thought we man was see that was a boy, you know. And it just up on the house, you know.
So now you know, say it a go drop and it cut now.
That's good, man.
That good man.
Everything in a board, you know. That's why I did so far.
Sorry.
yeah, they go out to this.
Oh, that boy left to come out. The wood.
This sparrows are killing a group of people.
You're not too cold.
You know what I need?
No, find him one that is not too cold.
You can go.
Me no want cold water, brother.
Alright, you're lucky, you know, not to get them.
Hot water.
Mass Nevi,
All
we
of
give
them
Mass
cold.
Nevi water already.
What you want to put in the sun?
We give him water. It finished, Mass Nevi? Oh. Yeah, go make Mass Nevi.
Week like we now come in a week like water.
What any excess water leave we give him.
And we can't drink the water.
The water where you have it done already?
No, no.
Oh.
And them are still less of sparrows kill a group of people.
My name?
Less of sparrows.
Lesbos Pyros.
That's
New
one.
name. New name for rat disease. Yeah? What you say name again?
Sparrows.
Lestos Pyros. New name for rat disease. Lestos Pyros.
You cannot leave Mass Nevi alone.
You carry some things to get me to a party.
Huh?
You can't open it?
We carry something come to you where you can't open?
Yes, if you go back and tell me I could go back when I come back.
Oh.
Yes, and I can't open so we tell you I go open.
Oh, okay.
Understand it?
Oh, alright.
I'm afraid that you see this area.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know nothing about it, you're afraid of it.
Then the most you give me about this.
Deck you that put, not sure?
Right now, I reach here, I don't know the house again. Eh? You mean I know that just couple years I go live there?
You know that.
Eh?
You know, small till I am 100 hours.
Yeah, man, Likkle and son them.
How many live till you 200?
I take you for do. So when hurricane come, you still turn up.
Right now, I still have a nice house in head. But I'm not $50 million. Now I believe it.
Yeah.
You can't sleep anywhere. I'm not sleeping
I just take
They all soldier, man. You see all that now?
Yeah, throw away zinc. Maybe it not locked in the grove. Okay.
Cast the foundation and rest the black in it. Same time.
Boy,
Concrete in a black packet same
there's so much water under the zinc.
Never know, that's how we do it. Yeah, cast the foundation. Set the black in it. Boy.
I'm not sure.
You want 1 yard of sand? Now, you want 1 yard of sand up in a Middle New Hope?
Like no.
Likkle you up.
Yeah. Huh?
Hold on. Hello.
My youth.
Hey, which one? Okay, you want?
Upper Mass Nevi. You know Red Man live?
What? Huh?
You know where Red Man live?
Yeah, Red man, if you drive up
Top New Hope.
I do not road.
what is it here?
Ah, come in. Our van can manage to come up the hill and land there, sir.
No, we can't manage land road too bad.
Oh,
So, we have a way around and come back around.
if I say.
Around them big house.
Aye.
How much time you want to do?
So if you can't want a yard, that no can do what we are do.
We're straight up, this is more than anything.
How much a yard?
As I tell you now, but you don't know this one.
I understand.
We can't manage the road.
Alright. Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
So a brown lady over there.
One brown lady.
How about you, Mr. Byron? Mr. Byron.
All this time I'm going to
I want to see,
I want a little truck like this. If I have one like the Leon. Yeah.
Come back, man. Give me 200.
At 20 you come here with, yeah? You come here with 20 now, like with 21.
20 nearly in come here with.
Pack it up to work with nail is that
20 nearly you come here with.
Thank
21.
Yeah.
Now me I tell you say if you pack it now you use nail then I on side.
What you get this one?
Hold on, that's me carrying back.
Bad car. Bad car. Where you get phone?
The phone, Timmy.
You love me. What you? You love me. But you're not supposed to call her auntie. The boy. Yeah.
Chicken a fry, everyone. Well, a fry. Fire look nice though, Miss Vera beneath.
Thank you, ma'am. Alright.
At this time, they put up my slave when it's time, they down.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
To dig him up, you know?
Yes.
If I never him my slave, he would have maybe blow away.
Not you.
All right.
How are you doing?
What we did on charcoal sand?
Yeah.
So I'm assist with some sand, I'm do some sand for run the block.
Yeah.
It's all green.
Yeah, man. You come to a rescue this morning. More than one time.
I don't have any father. My Nevi is my father, no. So give thanks.
Steal it and see sand away the short out there bucket. I move too fast, let's see some bucket. Huh?
Alright.
Thank you, sir. We don't want no.
Yes, mine.
You go piece of buy me one.
Okay, not even one.
What one?
Hi, how you do? Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah. That's pretty.
I never watched the right time to come out.
Pretty man.
One more time to that.
Instead of you do it fine, not show me swear.
I mean, want to man them to get people coming. I want my guy to go. Florida, you know, go down there and then I help them pack container to come to Jamaica. So that they want, me and them, they are daytime.
Oh.
I work with them at daytime, man.
Then I want you come home.
Here.
When you're there, which part of it made them there, you see? I always kind of go on like a glad.
Me am going like me glad. Me am going like me glad to go on me yard a full time now. You know, say almost 8 months me in America. Because remember say me did go from March, April, May, June, July,
Yes.
August. Me come down, go back same time August, September, October, November.
You get
And
homesick.
Oh, Lord.
You want to come home.
Man.
Want to come home.
About dark and this and that. Me say tired of it dark. You come me know say me a going and me coming to go see whole Padel come. You never up at out.
Oh no. Marcel said me know say Miss Vera can't wait for reach home.
Lord man, me glad.
Yeah, we're glad you come too.
Here and
Coming home.
Yes, me but brother.
Come home.
You see, that make it hard.
Now I have no way to put it for you.
Sometimes when we fit, no man.
But I forgot to make one good table next time.
Yeah, we need
Everything I drop in at the black hole from Denise.
I don't know, make sure catch it hold them machine never wear them.
Next time they not have no black, they might go use up.
You see, if you can make one little table
And put it in outside.
Well, no man. Make you anywhere you wanna go, wanna bring it, we can follow.
We have full up table, you know, but our business table.
But you don't put that pumpkin here. You know, so ready.
But you can use not
You can't put nothing for gravy.
Oh, the pumpkin?
You put pumpkin in that gravy?
nice.
Oil cook.
We don't cook with oil.
Right. Good. So we just
What we do, we season chicken and put in a pot with water and cook it.
then also you can
That's how we do.
of course.
Boiled chicken.
If you're not brownie, if you're
We're
not
not throw brownie
no
pan
do
in
no-
white like milk. Very nice.
Of course, yeah. And it's better than the brown one.
Of course.
Better than the brown one.
Yeah. You come from Marlon pause in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Then
I
one
check
man.
out about the food.
One we not ready for the food.
Not ready yet.
Not ready yet. Soon ready.
Can I tell Ram that?
Worm in a belly part.
Yeah, Ram, I cry.
Can't tell Worm say food not ready, huh?
This man and carry me food.
That's why I asked you to give now you drink half a case of water.
And me alright now me could have run go peel and run come back.
You see them here, stop me, huh?
Now lift up nobody for them.
It's very easy. It's very so she get up and eat a good cornmeal.
Too much water, we're not turning a soup. Brown chicken soup.
Boy.
Peas every time.
I love when the chicken mash out in a soup. Mash out.
See, me not like
Yeah, stretch out.
I cook it down for you ready? Say no cook it.
no.
The chicken cook, but it has to cook down for
No,
ready.
ready, yes.
No, sir.
And when we don't know,
And a gravy we want.
when
a
we
chicken.
done, we are gonna let it. You make you cook it.
So if the chicken cook it, you ready. Now cook up nothing.
Boy, man, this is very bad for the kitchen. You know, Marcel. Minutes you come here, so you get her trouble. Time at dinner time.
Of course, no more.
We come late, so everything
Late.
Right.
Lunch turn into dinner.
When we come here, not just reach.
Yeah. We just reach. Yeah. just reach.
Let me see car reverse.
Yeah, because he said I'm gonna turn back turn.
Small Nevi, they must be
Next time I'm
hungry.
gonna cook it for last night.
No. Next time
we are come.
we are gonna get
We are
everything together.
see we
Cook it for
And we're
last
going
night.
to come
might be
and reach by
soon.
7 o'clock here. So
we
when you come, we already have
We have
pot and the fire.
Alright, we are come for no food. They don't come start to work.
Then no. Where you come from now? Where you come from? Where no food you come from now?
A mall me come for.
Okay,
You see me take up food, a mall me take up.
stop tap.
You don't come for food, you come for mall. See mall.
Take up your mall and go.
Remember that.
You see the same boy there were police. He said to Roy, Odin one day, Jesus have mercy, what a little boy to occupy that school over. He told me, Odin, right now me now watch no potting on my plate, me I watch.
A fame food him a defend.
Hey, plate him I watch. No pot. Me I watch me plate. Then the boy they used to give it on.
What's in it there? He not come back.
They can't fish around there, sir.
Oh.
He never go fish on?
In the carry, but me not see him from the last time.
So where man fish on?
Him gone round.
Now me tell me say that good in Africa now, man.
Okay.
Yeah. He might come back for lunch though.
No problem. You don't have a problem with that.
If you watch, I use my sign.
If I want
If you don't know the current out of it.
Boy.
Mass Nevi, I just one place to sit down for a morning. Come up here, some man. Come out the doorway.
Mass Nevi.
Come in the kitchen, no boss.
excited over
Yeah. Yeah, it's a guinea tree fall on the house and I'll push it down.
Really?
Yeah.
How we put up here? But still like some.
Yeah.
Good, eh? Still like some. Just like me pepper cheese.
That's Aki over there.
Just like me pepper cheese. So that's a girl and kill the pepper tree. If I drop this flat a dot.
After pepper tree not all.
And drop some Spanish.
So how it ever did? So you can't blow down.
Some people pepper
You can't blow down, not true?
You can't blow down, it's short, so.
pepper tree gone. Not true.
Likkle pepper tree?
Oh, you mean? Nice. Hey, me just lean it up back, catch it up and throw dirt round it. Wiser.
One lime tree when me
So
have in
it
my
can
yard.
take
That's the money now.
One beer.
Yeah.
You know how much the pepper now? Me got
Yes.
me say a mobile is
If you
10
can't bring it
pepper
back.
for $1,500.
10 pepper for $1,500. Yeah.
10 pepper for $1,500 mobile.
You want ginger for buy?
Me no money to buy no ginger right now.
Oh, you have money for buy?
Here, Miss Bear.
I want to pay Miss Bear. Open up. Everything apart from ginger.
So Mrs. Verde, they're on tour with her today and on point.
Because when you're hungry, you can't put the ginger in a pot and cook it. We apply it where nobody can cook and eat.
That's true.
How much tea you can drink, sir?
And you can put in your meat, your rice, you can put in a lot of in your juice.
And you know, say put in a small now you don't want none. Yeah?
We don't have no money to buy no ginger right?
So I never ask how much eat.
How much are you? $10?
$10 share.
So how much eat?
It's on the
You ask me, I tell me same time, so you're not going to hear for my price.
$10 for me.
You're not hear my price.
What's the price?
You're not hear my price, because you don't want none to buy. You don't have no money, you have $10.
What you say, Mass Nevi?
Ginger deer.
Ginger deer, not true.
Tell her how much I found, Mass Nevi.
No, ginger deer.
No, it just don't say deer.
Right.
Mass Nevi, listen, you ready, no?
Yeah, I'm happy first.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah, I'm happy first.
Thomas.
Me see every move what Mass Nevi make.
Step where you take.
Yes, I'm a Nevi. We are exchanging. You hear, Zelly?
Huh?
We are exchanging. When my tomato ready and my sweet pepper, me exchange it for ginger.
Yeah, you
No
call
good business.
that barter.
That be good business.
You call that bartering.
Yeah. Tit for tat. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
And my cucumber, my plant sweet pepper. Me transplant some tomato. And me plant yesterday some cucumber and some cucumber and corn. And right next year, and sweet pepper them now ready to transplant as yet.
Okay.
God willing.
Mass Nevi asked her what time you plant them, when you plant them.
Yesterday, me plant the cucumber and the corn.
So you promise me something where you just plant? You know what I got here?
Well, God, I go bear it as long as me put it in the earth and bless, and Father God bless it. It's going to. Yes, darling. No, so me not have no land. It's fat belly land.
You run there just so long. You look like you dance. Sit down in a bucket.
What's that want to you? What you saying? Did sit down in a bucket?
Yeah, so it's not flat out in a bucket. Don't want a long time.
Me not have no land in the mountain. Just walk with piece of your
can't get in a moat. A 2 pieces than we have, you know. A piece of line, you know. Where farmers going to live.
Yeah.
Why you line online when there's a thing, you know?
Okay, so we can't get piece of that to work.
No most.
Why you say you own land there?
But doing to me,
You got it.
yeah?
Why you say you own land around there?
No most.
No, you don't want no land there, man. Who own land?
I got the one.
A land own you. You just leave off I tell him ready for you.
Yeah, land holder.
No.
Land holder.
A land
We have 3 acres. Don't have a time comfort and 4 acres for top comfort.
No, me I look for next one.
Mountain.
Yes, man. I don't
I know.
It's
That,
Girl,
that's why you can't see.
you don't know.
That you don't want to go, they go move mountain.
Man, you don't work. If me never, I am having a land about comfort.
Mountain you want to move. God mountain you want to go move.
We move the man.
I move mountain.
Just here.
What are you saying now, Mass Nevi?
Yes, me I say any amount you want, man.
Them.
Ah, yeah. I mean, read up the whole place.
Yes.
You don't want to spray.
Water.
Right, me I tell you like I'm known so.
Water, we want water.
Water me.
It better you use water around the sun.
Not to stir up, my youth. When water go in there, stir up it.
You use it?
Eh?
The water in the drum around there, so you use it.
Tini, come help throw the water, please. But Shane catch that over there so quick and fast. Or put something there so you don't run all the way over. Yeah. Try making sure you and you mix. You hear that? Not too soft, you say?
No, too soft.
Catch the water where run way. And I hear say nothing around there.
Go on, more water.
Neb drum. Yeah, Miss Bear. No gravy. Mas Nevi, a lunchtime, you know? Woo! Pop blue away. So at 2 we give you 1 for now.
Yes, ma'am.
And 1 for later. Hold it good.
Yes, ma'am.
You hold it good.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Alright.
Where I put it on you, so?
Yes, ma'am. That's one.
Yeah, so for now, yeah. So 1 for later. Let me give you 4 keep blow away when I come. Whoa. Let me take your type plastic. Here you go.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks.
Napkin up on the food box here.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright guys, so lunchtime everybody. Somebody not say nothing. I don't want no lunch. You not ready yet?
I'm not ready, we're not ready. I don't want no.
Go ahead, look how long you have fall up the kitchen.
When I want the food not ready, so I know me to take it. I don't want no food.
No, sir, Miss Ver. Marcel said you don't want no food because when they did want it, ain't ready.
That makes 2 of us.
Not true?
None me no want.
My tummy is full.
Oh boy.
Any hungry man, any hungry belly man when I want, I did me sorry for.
Miss Ver, Marcel, Miss Ver said any hungry belly man when I want food. She's sorry for them.
You stand there sorry for you, not sorry for themselves. I want none.
Marcel, what's wrong with you today? So Mas Nevi.
Give me food before I change my mind.
Let's go and go take him out, you know.
Tati said they never want any.
Mine.
Self-serve.
A supermarket, one in the bank.
Respect.
Guys, see who said they never want none there? Look at him.
I don't know, no food, no one.
Him first start.
Oh my God.
Oh, MJ, come. No come. Denise, make your some fart there, please.
Part them
Oh, them up here.
Yeah, he parked him the right there.
side.
No, no yam.
No, man.
Oh, me dear.
I'm go cook.
Melissa gone with the yam. Root it out of the dirt before.
So she come hungry.
Massa.
Melissa come with her
Here, Shane.
driver.
One man. America say. It look like Melissa didn't come to Jamaica. I come from foreign and come to Jamaica. And somebody take Melissa's husband.
Here.
So Melissa come back with vengeance.
You're welcome.
You have to send me outside.
Boy. When I feel light,
We
man.
need bigger cup. One food feel light?
You want everyone to give him.
Oh Lord, he food alright, man. That one is alright.
Yes, so.
Let me feel that one. Maybe I must see myself in that share.
That's why I like
Are
so.
you good enough?
You good?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good. Right, okay.
Alright. Here you go.
You get already? You get? Who else left now? Good.
Just me and Miss Denise and you. And Brown man.
Refill.
What you tell us Shane to do? We go fill water on the sun, carry the drum.
Then you knock more.
Or you expecting to carry the drum?
On the head.
You know what I'm saying? You say wicked to you.
At night I come in and the man want to go home.
You want some water?
Carry bucket, man.
You want to carry them all, but you want. Alright guys, so we run out of water.
I make me throw the water down here.
We never
Yeah, Miss Vera dog.
know that we're gonna need so much more. So everybody is heading out to a neighbor for water. Him offer to give us a drum of water. See everybody there, I go for water. Everybody I go for water, for mix water. Oh, that rhymes. Yep. All Miss Vera, I don't know where Miss Vera go. Yes. Oh Lord, guys, because of the terrain, it's so difficult to get up material and water up this side. Even to get certain materials, we had such difficulty, but you know, praise be to God, we have started, and once He has allowed us to start, He will finish the work for us. So anyway, in the meantime, we're headed for water.
When you say man say we can't get one drum and you come back. Look how much drum man have this, you know, just take one of them man.
Hey, just take one of the drum and bring it. After a long time, you hear when you say we have to do a while ago, Marcel? So we must, where? Over this sir?
You sure?
Yeah, that is it. How are your name again? When?
My whole way I come from the same place, you know, so we know.
Why?
You can come over?
Yeah. Okay. But Miss Vera can't come over this. Miss Vera, you can't walk over a fence. Right here, so behind me. Oh, we just walk here, so come in. Come, Miss Vera, may I wait for you? Come, Miss, me hold it. Are you?
Me step over my arm, me will hold it and you step. Hold it back for me.
All right.
Hold it back.
No, Miss Vera.
Yeah, how you mean?
Oh, Jesus.
Hold it up. Hold up.
All right, me hold up here. No, sir.
Good to go, girl.
All right. All right. What's the wire?
When me come out here, so now somebody help me down.
Mm-hmm.
And we go over.
Okay. Everybody gone left with Miss Vera. So when they walk, almost, yeah. I don't know. Okay. Boy, guys. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Oh, that's a red part. Yeah. Thank you so much for helping us out. Yeah. So when we walk around in front now, here, so? Oh. All right. Them birds off in the hurricane. Oh. Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, we thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we get the water, on let's show me when we get the water for no leave.
Come on, we're not left here.
Oh.
Right now we need more hands, because they're big.
Yeah. Be careful of me, so when we do you? When we do you?
I'll do you take your time with it.
Lord.
Flash out for you. There is a scout them there.
They're on there, so Miss Vera walk on the fence.
And I
Instead of over.
The journey here. Yeah, make 2 trips.
Ooh.
Dennis, where your pan are you carrying? Come, we have enough up here. You can take one. Yeah.
Here, yeah.
Good evening, good evening. No, Master Jesus.
Come, Miss Vera roping. Miss Vera. Right there.
And a pipe. Oh, you carry that on that fence.
Now somebody no must tell if you take it over a fence.
yes, so you can walk.
If me carry go so far.
Oh, so we can walk a gate.
But the gate is far around this one.
Lord Jesus.
Me carry it go so far. Somebody no must can help me down.
Boy, me prefer go through the bush because. Hey.
Since I come and suck on half it.
Don't pull it up no more now. It's a
Miss Vera make her cutter.
Yes, maybe.
Help her up them as well.
I can't do it all.
But me should ask if you want help, you know, Miss Vera.
That me.
Let me see how y'all going.
The pipe there.
Alright.
Put it on me head and I never carry half pan if I know me head it go pan.
Lord Jesus, then this not too much, Miss Vera.
No man, you know too much at all. Put it on. Wait, me put it how we want.
They have a pan.
Miss Vera, man, I make your children them beat we, you know.
They must do that.
Oh, so that you want? Yeah.
Alright. Through the gate we go. Come, Marcel. Then he's long the fix for our cane business.
and the cane sucker, they do that early.
Now what, son?
Well, me I walk here, so.
And he plant them pretty low.
Wow.
Oh Lord. We get some water.
Hello. How are you? Yes. Oh. Yes, everybody is good. We're helping out Mas Nevi to rebuild his home. Yes. Thank you so.
You are the special blessing.
Yes.
I see you doing a good You're not doing it again.
Yes.
You still doing it?
Yes, man. We continue. That's what we're doing today over my Mas Nevi.
Oh.
Yeah.
But like the hurricane hit the children.
Yes.
You can't get, some people can't get it because no light.
Yes.
You have Delco?
No, we have solar. Yes.
Alright,
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm here 16 years now.
Oh.
I don't but because I'm a good, I am in Sudan.
Yes. Thank God.
I'm in Sudan.
Yes.
I used to watch one there, man.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Oh.
did that.
Oh, wow.
You only see the first one.
Yes.
So my husband was out there and he said, once he saw it for the boy round.
Oh.
I said, oh, you have another one.
Yes.
2 girls.
It's 2 girls.
I got one.
Oh. Yes.
She's in America.
Okay. Wonderful.
So anyway,
All right. Take care.
so you want to take good care now.
Yes. I'll say hi whenever I pass by.
I really come out here because I'm mostly in there because I can't take the cold.
Oh, yes. Oh, it was nice seeing you though. It's a good thing that you're outside today. Yes. All right. God bless you.
Congratulations on whatever you do.
Thank you so much. All right. Bye-bye. And thanks for the water. Okay. All right, guys. So I was just talking to the lady there. She says that she has been ill for years. So she was sitting on our veranda. When we passed to go to Mas Nevi, she's telling me just now that she normally sees us, but we never see her because she's mostly on the inside. But we see her today. I was quite surprised. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, Miss Vera, wait for me. So I was quite surprised when I heard her call my name because I didn't even know that she knows who I am. But so it go. So God be the glory. So yes, we have the water. We're happy for that. Miss Denise, wait for your water pan there.
Right here, darling, right here. But guess what? Big cane sucker. I'm gonna plant it and I'm getting cane too.
Oh, you get cane too? Yeah. Well, we now wait for you then. Go on.
The concrete could have just mix up on
The block lay.
before you come.
Yes.
Then the 2 car gone.
Not true.
You walk, come down.
Thank you so much. You here?
Thank you.
All right. Good. Wow. Man. Why? No, me have to change hand. Why? My bucket little but boy it heavy.
Make we are looking at one another backyard. So
Not true. No privacy.
Some people too terrible.
Why? Man.
Where tell you go without pan?
Almost my pan, I can't get there. That's so glad. Marcel, where you going? Oh, thank you, Jesus. Because me just said, maybe you should take Miss Very pot.
May I carry my pan?
All right.
Well, I know where you get it from, we are going to use it.
Anybody want it?
Why? All right, Miss Very, we hear you. Marcel, the lady was on her veranda Yes, she knows me. Yeah. She knows. She said, hello, Michelle. I was quite taken aback. Oh boy, she said she always see us pass with the two girls. Oh well, no, but she see you too. Huh? No, then Sefi, carry it. Don't give me one. Let me bring it. And you carry the big one there. Whew. Morning. Walk on. Come on in, help me. Whew.
Comfortable, you know?
Yeah. You got me come see, look like it away from with the bucket of water. Whew.
Too much water.
Thank you. Just stop by.
You drink too much water.
Marcel, is there a...
Take that off your head, Manny.
Wait, Miss Ver.
Me not walk, me not come no further. Me.
Oh. Nice.
Yes.
You heavy not true, Manny? Oh yeah. Where you want to put it? We are going to want more water? But we have to wait. That's why we should have trained our drum. I'll go back. Because him say I'll go away.
You must say you're going to go feed.
I tell you, man, you see what we are going through today? Next time we are going to come. You can't carry one eye bucket. Eh? Me know, man, just a fool around you. Honest? It looks if your business that way she got take care of.
Yes, ma'am.
Ken.
Let's take care of water.
So where you get bucket? Where you get bucket from?
The people them bucket, madam.
Oh, I see. Oh boy. Take time.
Nevi,
Huh? Who him so? Aye, yeah. So Miss Vera, Miss Denise.
Yes, ma'am.
Just want to use this opportunity to say thanks to you for your help today, Miss Ver.
Yes, ma'am.
You're always on board and you bring Denise today, so welcome.
Thank you.
And Denise Sunday a long time before she. So see O'Shane there pass around there, so thanks O'Shane. And we have Teeny here.
Welcome, ma'am.
Teeny no love camera, so I no long talking with him. You know, say no love them thing there. Right? Not true Teeny, don't that you say. Oh, so and that's MJ. MJ, thank you very much for coming today here. We have a good team today, guys, because we run out of water.
Working media, mass making me work.
Miss Vera and Mr. Kemp not stop clash from morning. We have to keep them apart. Yes.
Where this must go now?
Right there.
Oh, so they mix it.
And there's another gentleman in the background who don't love camera neither. So we're going to just bless him up. And just that you know, I'm going to see him. But bless up yourself, you know who you be coming at if you can't call your name either. Alright. Oh.
Even.
Alright, Even. Big up yourself, Even. Thank you so much, Even. Of course, that's not the right pronunciation, so they're still not going to know who it is.
Even.
Yes, and that's Marcel in the background. I keep Miss very busy all day. Mr. can't get a rest from the argument.
No rest for the weary. No rest for the weary.
I take a rest right there, so.
Yes, guys, we're carrying water and all them things there. You know, but the work is going on. And then, last but not least, Mas Nevi, we're in here so cool out from morning. Mas Nevi? You alright, Mas Nevi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, only the eye. Alright, so guys, we're loading up the matterboard again. I hope me say the right thing. I say name? Matterboard. So that means we have to go for a second trip of water. Lord, pray for we guys, pray for we. Alright, and then of course, we have to say thanks to all the donors. Thank you so much for your continued support. We pray that your storeroom may never be empty. And we, what again, Marcel? I just run out of words, but anyway, guys, thank you so much. We are very appreciative. All right, so we will have to come back again more than once because the work is 2 more times, Marcel is saying, because the work is partially complete. We are slowed down because the road, of course, is very bad, and so it's hard to get like the water and so up here. So we had some water, we run out, and then the neighbor next door allowed us to get some water, and then we have to grab up.
Big up Peter.
Yeah, we have to big up Peter. Yes.
My grandson.
Yeah, we have to bless up Peter. Yeah, man.
And Miss Yuna tell me about her.
Yeah. She's such a nice lady. May I tell you, I was surprised I heard my name. I'm like, who call me? You know, because we always pass the house, never see anyone. Yeah. Yes. I hear her name, I know it's her. You know, people say, oh, it's Miss Ivy, but I've never seen her, but she saw us on the TV. So she called out my name. So I want to say thanks to her as well, and bless up to Peter for giving us the water. And also Redman. We have Mr. Green, who is Mas Nevi's neighbor, his church brother, neighbor and the church brother whom Marcel pointed out earlier today. He helped us at a great deal. So we have to big him up and tell him thanks. Yes, because we couldn't get the sand, because we called to order the sand. Can't get it because of the delivery truck from one place, and then the other place they were unwilling to take it because they said they can't manage this road. So, you know, but we heard he had sand, went around there and asked him if he could give us, and without hesitation he said that yes, most definitely. So all the sand that you saw earlier, he gave it to us. So bless up Redman, Mas Nevi, church brother and neighbor, and to everyone else, thank you so much, because none of this would have been possible without you and without the Lord, you know, helping us, mobilizing you, energizing you so that you can, you know, help us to help others. So I'm doing this now. We're not done yet, but just in case our battery go dead, then I know we would have said thanks to everyone. All right, guys, so stay with us until a little bit from now. Can't quarrel with Miss Denise at all. She carry him all now. She come with a handful of cane, you know, Marcel? Yeah. Cane sucker. Cane.
You come up here, can't get living.
I tell you, Mr. Taylor, I said, God.
They love her so tell her one person she see.
Yeah, they love
yeah, so we have to go back for a second trip of water right after they finish carrying the marl down to here. So, yep. Alright guys, so we'll come back for the second round of water. Then he's now soliciting on cane this time.
No, me satisfied.
Alright, so some people are left behind carrying the marl, and we come to the water and see Miss Very with her pot. Miss Very said, I don't carry no marl or water, I want to carry. So you see guys, I know we are forced to carry no water, you know. Oh.
You know, say water hard to carry.
More than him all.
Yeah, then in a bounce time, him all now moving.
But him all the right there, Mass
No,
Nevi.
but I know that me I talk about I don't carry load on my hand.
Oh, you prefer for your head.
Yes.
And it would make sense to carry them all right this up.
Up on my head.
Yeah.
To this. Everybody plan food?
Quite.
Except that one there.
Yes, make your chain carry that one, the full one, the over full one.
So supposed to we don't go on more water?
No, sir, we don't do this. That water there.
Oh.
Let's still have him,
Oh, we have to go carry.